What is Woje and how does it work? Woje is a step above regular payment systems. How? In 3 ways. By first, allowing you to keep the major portion of the merchant service fees. Second, you make the interest. All the money credit cards are making from your sales, you now have access to make. And third, its integration into sales will turn potential collections into die-hard customers. No more losing 40% to collection agencies. Woje is a SAC Payment Portal, which stands for Service Assisted Contract, allowing you to have the functionality of all 3 of these entities. This is accomplished by directly linking you to the national banking network so that transactions are bank to bank according to your desired payment terms. This means payment schedules are automated direct deposits, with the transactions avoiding 2 of the 3 merchant service fees. How does the Woje payment portal integrate the other 2 industries and automate them for you? Every time you accept credit cards as payments, you are relinquishing them as your customers and handing all the interest profit over to the credit card company, leaving what could potentially be up to half the sales profit gone. Woje's patented smart adjusting contract system allows you to finance your customers, earn the interest, never wait for payment, and it quickly adjusts auto payment amount and interest rate to ensure payments continue to flow in. Interest continues to accrue and potential bounce payments are rectified with a few clicks, keeping your customers happy while continuing auto payment flow. No more collections while you finance your customers easily and efficiently, which means earning the interest while avoiding non-payments, potential insufficient funds on auto payments, or potential collections. And also, if you have ever been nervous about financing your customers and earning a potential of the $800 million credit cards made in interest and fees over COVID off you and other businesses, you don't need to be concerned. Our patented SAC Payment System and onboard training takes the guesswork out of financing. Product or service, high profit margin or low profit margin, Woje Payment Portal is the solution for you. You can take a massive profit movement increase forward by getting free access to setting up your payment portal, or join us on a demo to show you how easy it is to capture all this money you've been giving away.